Let's give them a round of applause, please. Congratulations, students. This moment reflects years of dedication, small steps taken each day that have now led to a significant milestone. Though equality to the third, this recognition represents not only institutional approval, but also shared acknowledgement of the students' readiness to move forward. Let us now move on to the presentation of the junior high school completers and senior high school graduates. To do the honors and presenting the candidates, we will call on Sister Eleanor Tracy Sobidoyo, for our Honorable Doctor of Education, School Principal. And to confirm the candidates, we will request Reverend Father Jean-Pierre L. Tayoke, the USEC School Superintendent. Reverend Father Jean-Pierre Tayoke, our esteemed Diocesan School Superintendent, respected members of the administration, distinguished guests, dear parents and guardians, faculty and staff, and our dear completers and graduates. On behalf of our city, St. Anthony Academy Incorporated, may I have the honor to present the candidates for junior high school completion and senior high school graduation for this academic year 2025-2026. Reverend Father Superintendent, upon the recommendation of the faculty and staff, and having satisfactorily complied with all the academic and institutional requirements, I hereby present to you the grade 10 junior high school completers, composed of 9 males and 6 females. Likewise, I present to you the senior high school graduates who have successfully completed the requirements of their respective strands under the Humanities and Social Sciences for youth strand, 6 males and 5 females. And under the Science, Technology, Engineering, Mathematics, or STEM strand, 6 males and 5 females. May I respectfully request you, Reverend Father Superintendent, to confirm their completion and graduation and to authorize the awarding of their certificates and diplomas. Thank you very much and a pleasant afternoon.
With the authority S&E as the Diocesan School Superintendent, I, Reverend Father John B. Tayoke, hereby accept and confirm the candidates for completion and graduation of FCBD St. Anthony Academy Incorporated for this academic year 2025-2026, having satisfactorily fulfilled all the prescribed requirements. I now confirm the completion and graduation and authorize the awarding of their certificates and diplomas. It is my pride and honor to confirm you 15 junior high school completers and grade 2, grade 12 graduates of the school year 2025-2026 with all the rights and privileges according to the Department of Education of the Republic of the Philippines, the Diocesan Schools of the Magdalene, and of St. Anthony Academy Incorporated, this 24th day of March 2026. May Almighty God bless you and guide you always in your journey of faith, knowledge, and service. Congratulations, dear completers and graduates. A round of applause.
Again, let's give them a round of applause, please. Congratulations to grade 12 and grade 10 completers. Each diploma represents new dimensions. Each diploma represents not just academic achievement, but a journey of growth, resilience, and hope. We now come to one of the most awaited moments, the distribution of certificates and diplomas. I request our school principal, Mr. Alana, and Reverend Father Gianni Levicoyoke to assist the giving of diplomas. Aluman Moms Jr. Pinawawan Tayasan, Raven Computer. Valbuena Kenneth C. Lutay Tayasan. Kalian Vicente Jr. Nugget Tayasan. Sinisera Grayson P. Kaprukan Tayasan. Now Christian E. Lutay Tayasan. Minipili Charles Jacob B. Profesor Tayasan. Sabanang Renal C. Profesor Tayasan. Solena A.J. Juliana P. Pinukawan Tayasan. Solena Driver Junior P. Lutay Tayasan. Awil Charlotte S. Kaprukan Tayasan. Brunolena Samantha Grace P. Magduhaw Tayasan. Callum Junali Matulong Tayasan. Dividend Chanel Lorraine C. Sayin Tayasan. Fernandez Jeremy T. Poblacion Tayasan. Yuyo L.A.T. Lutay Tayasan. Congratulations to our grade 10 computers. And now let's proceed to our grade 12 STEM graduates. Kalian Vincent P. Nugget Tayasan. Kalian Bentley Junior G. Tamal Tayasan. Ivan Yurisa Mateo, Palasa Tayasan. Paasa John Mike A. Tamal Tayasan. Tabanao 30L, Lupay Tayasan. Zuniela Terrence A. Tamal Tayasan. Binili po Erwin Jewelry, Poblacion, Ayun. Duran Eloisa J. Matulong Juliana Jumana Beatriz D. Profesor, Tayasan. Congratulations to our grade 12 student graduates. Now let me present to you the graduates from Humanities and Social Sciences. Fernandez Giovanni T. Profesor, Tayasan. Little Lion R. Profesor, Tayasan. Maguna Julian Privilege, Profesor, Tayasan. Mendoza Stage Max S. Palasan, Tayasan. Ponteras Mark Lawrence D. Ikiban, Ayun. Armory Natalia B. Palasan, Tayasan. Herodias Analiza L. Maktuao, Tayasan. Gonzaga Therese K. G. Matata, Tayasan. Soledad Jamila B. Lupay, Tayasan. Zun